Hi everybody, Osama Ghazal with you. Today we will learn how can we create a recycler view, how can we build it, how can we design it, and fill it with data like this view. First, we want to change the layout of the activity from constraint layout to linear layout. Press tab. Then we can drag here and drop a recycler view from common recycler view. And we will give it an ID RV, and we must sure that the layout width and height will be match parent. Now we want to design a layout for it. App, res, layout, right click, new, layout resource file, and we will call it LO employee underscore employee. It should be all small letters, not capital letter, and press OK. Now we will go to design. We will design the layout. We will drag here and drop a text views. Okay, txt first name, txt last name, and txt salary. We give them an IDs. Now this is the design. It will be like this. Now we want to create a model. Right click from Java, app Java, a new Kotlin file class. We will call it a models classes. We can create it as a class or as file here, but now we will create it as a file to contain many classes, not one class, if we have many classes. Okay. Now we will create inside it a class. We will call it employee class employee. We will define the variables var first name. Its type is string. The default value will be double quotation. Then var last name, string also, and var salary. It will be a float. The default value is 0. Okay. Now we will create an adapter for this RecyclerView. We will go to Java also and RecyclerView project. Right click, new, Kotlin file class. We will call it employee. We will call it adapters. Also, this is a file, not a class, and we will contain inside. We will create inside it a class or classes. Here Now we will create a class, class employees adapter. Okay. We will define a value employees. It will be an array list, and the type will be employee. Employee. This employee is the model that we created here. Okay, it's like a record, and we will open practice. No, yes, we will put the type RecyclerView dot, not view holder, it's adapter. Okay, employee adapter dot view holder. Okay, now we will create a class, a view holder class. Class a view holder. We will put inside it a variable called item view. Its type is view. The type of the class will be RecyclerView dot view holder for item view. Here we will define values for the text files, for the text views. Okay, that we created in the layout. Okay, now we will define val txt first name equal item view dot txt first name, and val txt last name equal item view dot txt last name. Then txt salary, okay, equal item view dot txt salary. These text views are we define it in the layout employee. Now we will implement the members for the class employee adapter. Implement members, and we will select them all, shift and click on the last one, and we will press OK. Now we will remove the to do. Okay, we will return and get item account in this function. We will return the size of the employee size. This is the record count or items count in this employee array list. Then we will go to onBind. This employees is here, that we defined it here in the class. Now in the function onBind view holder, we will fill this values. We will create a employee, val employee. We will create a class or inherit a class from employee class. It will be employees from P1, the index. This employee is in the model class, okay? And this value is equal employee for a position, a specified position in P1. This one, yes. Now the view holder p0 dot text first name dot text equal employee dot first name. Then p0 dot txt last name. We are filling now the layout with the variables. The record contains the employee record. Okay, we are filling now. Salary equal text dot employee dot salary, and we will convert it to string because it is a float value. Okay. Then we will go to the onCreate view holder, and we will make an inflator for this result to the layout. We will inflate them. Okay. We will type now val v layout inflator dot from p0, this is the view holder, the view group, p0 dot context dot inflate the layout resource. This is the employee. R dot layout dot lo employee comma false. No, comma p0, this is the view group, comma false. We will return now the view holder. For the inflator view. Now we are finished from creating this adapter for the recycler view. Now we will create a database for the employees. We will go to main activity. Then we will define a list view. We will define an array list for the employees. Var employees list. Its type is equal array list from employee. This is the model that we created in the models classes. We create a class from it, and now we will make a function to add a records. Function add record. We will open a practice. First name, its type is string. Then last name, its type is string, and the salary, its type is float. We will define a class, a record from record employee, val emp equal employee. This employee is the model that we created. Okay, and we will fill it now. Emp dot first name, sorry, it's emp, not empl. Okay, emp dot first name equal first name. This is the variable. This is the class, and this is the variable here. Yeah. Now emp.lastName equal last name, emp.salary equal salary, and we will fill it on the employees list. Employees list dot add this record, it calls is emp. We add this emp to the list of employees list. Okay. Now we will create another function to fill the values for this records. A private func fill data. We will call this function add record now. Add record. First name Sami, comma, last name Rashid, comma, the salary. Now we can copy it. I prepared it before to avoid delaying. Okay, we will copy it from text file. Okay. Now we will call on the onCreate in the activity, main activity. We will call the first function fill data, and we will define the recycler view and the adapter. Val adapter equal employees adapter. We will fill it with employees list, this adapter, and we will fill it with employees list. Okay, and we will define a recycler view val rv equal, its type is recycler view, and will equal find view by id r.id.rv. Now, okay, this is the RV. Now we will make the inflate layout manager rv.layout manager equal linear layout manager. The context is this, comma, linear layout dot vertical, comma, false as okay, recycler view dot layout manager, and rv.adapter equal adapter. And now we will run the program, the application. Okay, run. Okay, it's done. We success. This is the recycler view, for all the employees and families and the basic salary. In the next video, we will work more on this recycle view. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.